Hello, and thanks for joining Success Path TV. Your journey to success starts here. At Success Path TV, we believe you are destined to succeed. It is the reason we make efforts through experiences and books to walk you through the right path to ensure your success. It takes more than just acquiring money to become rich. You see, a lot of people want to be rich, but in most cases lack the ability to manage it efficiently and effectively to become wealthy. Knowing how to acquire money alone is not enough for you to amass wealth. Managing is the main thing that helps one to become rich. It is the reason we see a lot of investment banks and wealth management institutions all around. Becoming rich goes beyond money acquisition if you dream to be one, which I believe you do. Warren Buffett is considered as one of the most successful investors in the world today and has a net worth of over $88.2 billion as at the time of making this video, making him the world's 6th richest person, and he is well known for his money management tips as an investor. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 Warren Buffett's advice for young people who want to be rich. I believe number 4 will greatly impact your life to become rich. But before that, if you are new here or a regular viewer of this channel and have not subscribed yet, please like, comment, subscribe and click on the bell icon in order to be the first to receive more educative and informative videos like this. Number 1. Don't spend before saving. One thing we are guilty of about money is that we are always quick to spend before even thinking of saving, if any. Warren Buffett advises that we rather have to save first before spending what is left if you want to become rich. It is prudent that we always have plans before acquiring money or even going for loans. Purposely having a regular percentage of money acquired being saved will ensure that you meet future plans. These savings can be invested to increase your wealth. In no time, you could become rich by practicing the habits of saving to invest. Just imagine saving like 20% of your income each month for a whole year. Huge amounts, right? Also imagine the amount of money you could have by investing that savings. Wouldn't it yield you more money? Always ensure you save an amount of money from your income before making a move to spend. One book that relates to this advice is The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Consider reading this book if it is your desire to become rich. By the way, we are not sponsored by the book to make this video. Number 2. Never depend on a single income. If you really want to become rich like I do, you need to stop relying on one income source. Make investments to create a second source, third source, fourth source, etc. As a matter of fact, Buffett holds shares in about 60 different companies including Apple, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, American Express, Kraft Heinz, General Motors, etc. And so he advises us to make multiple income sources if we desire to be rich. So you see why he's rich? He has small businesses that are making him more money each minute. This is how the rich gets richer. He didn't start investing in these businesses from the start. He started investing small and grew through experiences. Let's take myself as an example. I am an accountant, a farmer, a consultant, teacher and a YouTube content creator. And so I don't rely on a single income because it is my goal to become a billionaire. Are you surprised how I'm able to manage all this? Kindly let me know in the comment below and I will be glad to share my experiences with you. Number 3. Never test the depth of a river with both feet. Honestly speaking, I've repeatedly made this mistake on several occasions. The so-called experts will sugarcoat you with how lucrative a business is and that you could make a lot of millions very soon if one engages in a particular business. Well, sometimes they could be true or false, but entirely believing their words and going all out will only ensure your failure very soon. To be prudent for you to start in a small way, create a prototype or MVP to test the market before you can decide to continue with the business on full scale or not. You will also need to conduct a market research for your product or service. For this reason, I'm recommending a book titled The Personal MBA by Josh Kaufman, where he talks about how to start and manage a business without spending dollars and your energy to acquire a traditional MBA from universities, which doesn't even do much to help you run a business. Never in any way are we affiliated to either Josh Kaufman or his book. And now, number 4, stop buying things you don't need. This is my favorite advice and I hope you love it too. Warren Buffett advises that if you buy the things you don't need, soon you will have to sell the things you need. I don't think anyone needs a new phone or laptop to watch YouTube videos. There's no need to spend a lot of money to wear well-known branded clothes if there are other clothes that serve the same purpose. If I don't have the means to buy Nike or Adidas, I still have many other alternatives that are also of good quality and even cost less. It is just a matter of differentiating between wants and needs. Myself, for instance, I need to make videos to upload on my YouTube channel, right? If I don't have a camera for that, can't I use my phone instead? I will get the videos produced and uploaded at the end of the day if I use my phone camera. One mistake we constantly make is borrowing to buy things only to impress others and later on try to sell what we really need to survive. The goal is to become rich and not necessarily to look rich. Just remember that. Don't get me wrong, if you actually have the means, nothing stops you from that. However, if you are on your way to becoming rich, just stop buying things you don't need and start investing those monies. Number 5. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This piece of advice means that one should not concentrate all efforts and resources in one area of investment, as one could lose everything. Imagine collecting all your eggs from your hens in the morning hoping to sell them to make money, and all of a sudden the basket containing the eggs falls down. Everything in the basket breaks, right? As fragile as the eggs are, they'll easily break down, which means you'll lose the money you were expecting to get after selling the eggs. What Buffett is saying is that in order to become rich, you have to invest your money in different businesses or industries to ensure steady returns. And even should in case one business fails to deliver, the rest of the other businesses will make up for it. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the 5 money advice by Warren Buffett for young people who want to be rich. Now you know which one is my favorite. Please tell me, which one is yours? Which one are you going to start now? Is there any one of them you think it is difficult to do? Let me know as well. If you think this video makes sense and believe that we are contributing positively to your life, please let us know by commenting below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We at Success Part TV appreciate you.